welcome to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So let's start with Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a great year, had a great holiday as well, and ready for 2023. It's gonna be an awesome year for everybody. All right, so I hope this year we will make more 3D perlers and watch more of my video, and I'll continue making more awesome tutorial and fun stuff for you guys to make with perler beads. So as you can see today, if you saw the thumbnail, we're making Anya Forger from the Spy Family series. She's super cute. She's everybody's fan, right? So this is a cute version that I found online. I found a patent. Oh my gosh, super cute, and everybody loves it. So today I'm gonna bring you the tutorial to build this one. Not with her. She's super cute. So before we start, I also want to show you a couple new ones that I created. So you can see this one. Let's come with this one first. So this is the Minecraft box. It might look, it's very simple because it's just a box with the character, but actually I used to build smaller pieces, so this is a really challenge for me. And designing these, because they are removable, let me show you. So these, each character can be removed. So and also like this little wolf, I really love him. So if you want to build this one, comment down below. Oops. So I can work on a tutorial for this one, maybe. I don't know if anyone's interested. I have showed this one. This is the baby Yoda riding the spaceship. He's super cute. I am in love with this design. I saw that little toy from Disney World and Epcot, but I didn't buy it, so I decided to make my own toy, and I made him. So proud. So yeah, so I hope you like this one as well. And then, so this little bird, I love it. I saw this long time ago and I built it, but I haven't made the tutorial for this one. So I know a lot of people build this one, and I truly love this one. If you haven't built this one, stay tuned because the tutorial to make this one is coming up. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button so you'll get notification whenever I post new tutorial, new 3D perler designs, and cool stuff to share with you. So don't miss out. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for all your supports and your love. If you know anyone's interested in making craft, or like they love 3D perlers or just perler in general, also share my video with them so it can help them to make more beautiful things. All right, so let's get started with Anya today. Let's go.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started with the head. Alright, so this is gonna be the main piece, and we're gonna use this one to start. Alright, so we're gonna add this one right here, just like so, and then we're gonna add this one on the other side. Alright, so let's add the base to the back. So this one, we're gonna add it right here, leaving a little bit open.
So from here, we're gonna add this piece right here. So we're gonna slide it through. So let those beads to go through on this side. There we go. And then slowly put it in the right place. And then now let's do the other side. The same thing. Line them up and then put it in slowly. Because there's no connector on the other side, so you kind of have to hold on to the pieces. Yay, looks like we got it in. So now let's add the bottom piece. Let's move around a little bit, just make sure that they're in good place. So this is the bottom piece, and we're gonna add it here to stabilize the cube. But I noticed that some of the bead is hard to, get together. So go ahead and check around and make sure that they're in place.
All right, that looks good. All right, so let's add the side pieces. So that would be this piece right here.
All right, so let's add this here, and then also on the other side as well. And then we're gonna add the little connectors. So the pink side goes in first. So adding both into 2 beads in. And then leaving 1 bead on the side so we can add the outer piece. So now let's do the same on the other side. Let's add the connector in again. The pink one goes in first. And then we can add the outer piece as well. And then we're gonna add this onto the side. Yay, looking good. All right, let's add the top piece. So coming here, this one will be the top piece to go in this way. Because the back piece has a lot of open, so we're just trying to be careful so not breaking any size. Yep. And then leave this open so we can kind of navigate to move the beads. Yeah, that looks good. And then we're gonna add this one onto the top. Yeah, so it's good that we can have this open, like from the back, so we can move the beads around. Oops, this one is not that flat. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, all right, so let's close it with the top. Just like so. Yay, looking good. So we're almost done here. All right, so you can see. All right, so these, we're just gonna add it to the front. A little bit out, so just 1 bead out like that. Looking good. And then we're gonna add this one to the face. Yay, so now we can close the back. So let's turn to the back and close it from here. And then this one to the back. This side is better. Yay, so we're done with the head. Let's move on to the body. Alright, let's build the body. It's pretty easy. So let's use this middle piece. And then this will be our connector. So let's insert it first. And then we're going to add those 3 in the first to go to the first layers. So 1 and then add another one. And then we're going to go to the back and add this to the back. And then 1 more layer. Then we're going to add the bottom piece. Here we go. So it's very easy. Just insert it. This is super easy. And then we're going to add this to the top. The yellow bead is facing the front. So push all the way in and then 1 more. Yay, 2 more pieces. So let's add this one to the front and then the other one to the back. And now we have the body. Let's bring back the head. Okay, now let's connect the head and the body. I would recommend taking out the the bottom piece and then insert it here first. So it will be easier, because if you do the other way, it might break the piece. So going back this way is so much easier. Yay! Yep, we got it in. I hope you make Anya Forger with me this time. And if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and tag me on Instagram for a special shout out if you use my tutorial. And if your friend also like to make 3D perlers, please share with them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!